I've been fishing for over an hour, no fish, nothing. Sorry if it's windy, but it's windy and there's waves. So I'm gonna take this kayak and see and test it out, because I never really fished any water that's been wavy and this windy. So I wanna see how this kayak does in the wind with the waves. It performs very well. All right, let's get to it. All right, so actually right now it's very windy out here and there's a lot of waves. The good thing about this kayak is that it cuts through the wind, it cuts through the waves without a problem. I mean, there's nothing to worry about. I just feel like if the wind's to my back now, so when I go back it's gonna be harder, but with this kayak you can honestly go basically anywhere you want because it's just like so easy. You guys see I'm hands-free, and it's just amazing, especially when there's rough conditions. The kayak just cuts right through the waves, and I'm probably going about a mile to my spot and haven't had any problems. The battery life, like I said, is completely full, and I've probably gone like 2 miles now, so I should be fine. I think my paddling is going to take forever. It's going to use a lot of energy, and it's just going to be tough. But with this, like I said, perfect kayak. All you got to do is put that throttle down, control with your feet, and you're good to go. Right here is basically me. I'm getting pushed by the wind going left because the waves are going left, the wind's going left. Nothing's on, but I mean, it's not getting as pushed as bad as it normally would be in like a different kayak. I think this one's good enough just to, and the wind's pretty strong in my opinion. Very strong, because I'm getting pushed a lot, so it's still performing really well. But once I turn that motor on, when I get back, it's going to be pretty easy to get back. That's the whole point, because if you paddle, it'll probably take you like 2 hours to get back. With this motor, it's going to take you about 5 minutes, so we'll see. Oh. More waves. Ah, it's cold. I mean, as you can see right here, the wind is pushing me, but it's not pushing me to a point where I need to constantly move around. So it's heavy enough, and this rudder right here, I just go, if I push that down and go right, and it's just gonna stabilize me. I mean, it's not gonna stabilize me 100%, but like I said, it's sturdy enough. And I'm just saying, I would stay away from the Walmart kayak. I know people are on a budget, but I would say your best bet in windy conditions is something like this kayak with the trolling motor, because it's definitely gonna get the job done. All right, turn around here and fight this little current for you guys too, to show you. Here comes some waves, probably gonna get soaking wet. Here we go. Wind and waves just going right over it. Out of problem, nothing's pushing me back. Perfect.